Pakistan says its overnight airstrikes in Kabul and Nangarhar targeted terrorist infrastructure used by Afghan Taliban forces, but Afghan authorities claim a drug rehabilitation facility was hit instead, raising international concern. The strikes were carried out late Monday as part of the Pakistan's Operation Ghazab-ul-Haq, which Islamabad says aims to dismantle militant networks responsible for attacks inside Pakistan. According to Information Minister Ataullah Tarar, Pakistani forces conducted 6 precise, deliberate and professional airstrikes targeting what he described as terror-supporting military infrastructure. Tarar said one of the main targets in Kabul was Camp Phoenix, a former United States military base located near Kabul's international airport. He said the site was being used by Afghan Taliban forces as an ammunition storage facility and that secondary explosions observed after the strikes indicated the presence of large ammunition depots. The minister rejected allegations that a civilian facility had been targeted, adding that video footage released by Pakistan's Information Ministry showed the intended targets clearly. However, Afghan authorities gave a very different account. A spokesman for the Afghan Taliban claimed that the strike hit Omid Hospital, a state-run drug rehabilitation center in Kabul, which reportedly treats thousands of patients struggling with addiction. But according to a fact check published by Pakistan Information Ministry, Omid Hospital is in the heart of Kabul, miles away from Camp Phoenix, which is located to the east of the city's international airport. But witnesses and local residents told Reuters that the site struck was an area known locally as Omid Camp or the Camp of Hope. They said the facility had been set up at the abandoned Camp Phoenix compound. Images from the site showed a damaged single-story structure, twisted metal debris, and destroyed temporary buildings, typical of former military installations. Pakistan, however, has strongly rejected the Afghan claims. Tarar called the reports entirely baseless propaganda, accusing the Afghan Taliban of spreading misinformation to conceal their support for militant groups operating across the border. A spokesman for Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif also denied that civilians were targeted, saying Pakistan's operations were focused solely on eliminating terrorist infrastructure. International reaction to the incident has been swift. The United Nations Human Rights Office has called for an independent and transparent investigation into the strike. The European Union condemned the incident as a dangerous escalation, reminding both sides that civilian and medical facilities are protected under international law. Meanwhile, China has urged Pakistan and Afghanistan to implement a ceasefire and return to dialogue, offering to continue mediating between the two neighbors. The latest incident highlights the growing tensions between Islamabad and Kabul, as Pakistan accuses the Afghan Taliban government of harboring militants linked to the Tehreek-e-Taliban-e-Pakistan or TTP.